Hello, welcome back to a new video. My name is Luigi, also known on social media as Illustrazioni di Lut, and this is the second part of a video that is Practice Watercolor in 15 minutes. I link you in the previous video in the description for figure drawing, and today we are gonna make the same 15 minutes exercise, very chill, very relaxed, only to enjoy the process. And it's gonna be about animal in watercolor. I already choose a nice reference from unsplash.com that I will link in the description. I'm using my Baohong sketchbook, cotton paper. I will make a quick sketch with pencil this time. So I have this new palette with already distributed 48 different watercolors. White Nights, I use them today. This video has, just like the previous one, is gonna be real time because of the topic itself. Painting in 50 minutes, exercise, practice watercolor in 15 minutes. I chose this Flamingo. Enjoy a lot drawing animals like birds. So I start with a sketch of the Flamingo. Normally, compared to portraits or figure drawing, you can spend a little bit less time on the drawing itself because, you know, it's much easier. Even if you make mistakes, you can always readjust them a little bit compared to portraits where if something is slightly in the wrong position, then everything looks more like an alien than a real person. And then after this quick sketch, I will enjoy the process of watercoloring and mixing on the palette, and then directly on paper, wet on dry, because wet on wet takes too much time to dry for this particular exercise. It's not feasible. So the aim of this video and the previous one as well is to show you that you don't actually need a lot of time in your daily routine to practice art, practice watercolor. You actually need some motivation, some 15 minutes to relax, 15 minutes to practice, and that's it. So you see that in 1 minute the main sketch is ready and we can go. So I use my soft eraser here to remove part of the marks. You can make it like a sausage, spread it on the paper like this, softly, gently. I'm gonna use this brush from Renesans, a petit gris brush. It's very soft. I don't want to focus too much on the colors. I would take like a couple of colors or 3 maximum and mix them together directly on the paper. Some kind of pink. I have quinasidron lilac, pink peony, rose quartz. The good idea also to wet your colors in the beginning. So we have also some tint in orange, so we can mix directly. I recommend you to use the brush quite full of water and colors because we are working wet on dry. And then we need something dark. Probably I wouldn't use black directly from watercolors. I would preferably use Payne's gray or a dark blue or brown or sepia colors. Second layer details. This as well with a Fineliner. I like to do that. Or you can keep it in watercolor directly. With a bit of less saturation going in the background. And I just leave the color merging together directly on the paper. Some splashes are always nice, so you need to take a bit more water and then a little hit to the brush body. And I think we are almost done. Maybe I will just add a bit more of this turquoise blue. So the drawback of working in 15 minutes with watercolor is that you don't normally have time to add contrast to your exercise. That's why in the previous video I used a Fineliner instead of pencil to make the preliminary sketch. What I would do now is to add some more details with pen. What you can do instead is to add a second layer to enhance your contrast and define the details. I'm using a sepia Fineliner here, and I would go in all those regions that are under shadows. And I hope you liked this video. If that's the case, drop me a comment with the kind of topic you would like to see 15 minutes practice in the next one. Also leave a like to help me showing my videos to other art enthusiasts. And if you haven't done so far, please subscribe to see my next. I've been drawing animals for all my life. That's my favorite subject together with portraits. So now it's your turn. Show me what you can do. Tag me on Instagram as Illustrazioni di Lut with your 15-minute animal sketch or paint. I'm looking forward and I thank you very much right now. See you soon with the next video. Bye bye.